Hello mga Ka-Toto! Welcome to another vlog with full of light and love! This is Tori, nagbabalik! At ngayon po, para po doon sa mga hindi pa nagsusubscribe, ano pang ginagawa nyo, please click on the notification bell for more updates and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and kindly please follow my social media accounts. And for our vlog today mga Ka-Toto, I will be discussing with you some tips on how to start your own business. Number 1, know what you want. Siyempre, di ba, kung ikaw ay gusto mong pumasok sa isang negosyo, alamin mo muna kung ano nga ba talaga ang gusto mo. Di ba, gusto mo bang pasukin ng pagkain? Gusto mo bang pasukin ng clothing line? At marami pang iba. So, kailangan alam mo muna kung anong gusto mo para alam mo kung ano yung negosyong sisimulan mo. And for number 2, identify kung ano ba yung mga skills and strengths mo as a person. Ikaw ba ay magaling mag-manage ng tao? Ikaw ba ay magaling sa marketing? Ikaw ba ay nakatapos ng business course? At marami pang iba. Syempre, every person has different unique talents and different strengths. Kaya, kailangan alamin mo yon para magamit mo sa pagnenegosyo. Number 3, syempre you have to research the market. So, doon sa negosyo na gusto mong pasukin, in demand ba siya? Pwede ba siya? Saan ba siya itatayo? Ano ba yung target market mo? So, kailangan you have to research everything. So, para mag-come up ka ng isang magandang business plan. And number 4, mga Ka-Toto, upgrade your skills for the business. Dahil pag tayo ay nagnenegosyo, kailangan talaga lagi tayo nag-aaral at dinadagdagan natin ang ating mga kaalaman for us to be able to stay competitive in the market. And number 5, mga Ka-Toto, start within your means. So, meaning to say, it doesn't mean that you have to spend big to have your own business. So, whatever it is, small or big capital, pwedeng-pwede yan. I remember when I started my own business in events, ang una ko lang talagang ginamit dyan are my skills and my strengths. And also, ginamit ko lang actually na puhunan is laway at tibay ng loob. Yes. Siyempre, pag nagnenegosyo ka, kailangan palakasan niya ng loob. Hindi pwedeng mahina ang loob. So, that's where I started. And from there, nag-grow na siya na nag-grow hanggang nakapag-invest na ako ng mga gamit ko for my business. And at the same time, kumalat na yung negosyo sa mga kakilala ko at sa kakilala ng kakilala ko. And number 6, mga Ka-Toto, find a support group. So, paano ba makikita ang support group natin? It can be from FB page or FB community group, I must say. Or, pwede rin sa mga classes na attendan nyo to upgrade your skills para makapagtayo ng business. Siyempre, nandyan yung support ng mentor mo, ng coach mo, at ng mga kaklase mo. At the same time, pwede ka rin makahugot ng support from your circle. Who can that be? It can be someone who owns a business as well. Pwede rin your family or your friends. Kasi sa negosyo, mga Ka-Toto, importante talaga na meron kayong support group dahil maraming challenges ang darating dyan. It's not an overnight success. So, kailangan lang talaga merong mga grupo na mag-i-encourage sa'yo, magsusupport ng business mo, at syempre tuturuan ka rin para mas marami pa at madagdagan pa yung mga kaalaman mo sa pagdenegosyo. And finally, our number 7. So, you can now start selling your own business. So, you can actually start along with your friends, your family, hanggang tuloy-tuloy na yan kakalat. So, huwag ka lang talagang mag-give up at kailangan lang you just have to be consistent in what you do and continue learning and learning and learning for you to grow your business. And para sa ating quick recap mga Ka-Toto, always remember, number 1, know what you want. Number 2, identify your skills and your strengths. Number 3, research the market. Number 4, upgrade your skills for the business. And number 5, start within your means. And number 6, find a support group. And number 7 is sell your business. So I hope you guys learned something today. And for those of you na bagong nanonood sa channel ko, please do not forget to follow all my social media accounts. Please tap the notification bell for more video updates. And do not forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So this has been it. Thank you so much, guys. Keep spreading light and love. This is Tori signing out. See you on my next video.